Hello and welcome to the Design Your Own Virtual Locker lesson. So you can see here I have created a locker that has lots of stickers on it that represent things that I like or enjoy. So you're going to get an opportunity to do this yourself. There's a list of things on the left that help guide your thinking as far as what you include. They are not required that you include any of these things. So let's take a look at what yours will look like. You have this template here that says, or that is a virtual locker. To start adding things, you're going to go to Insert, Image, and you're going to do a search the web, and that'll open a dialog to the right. And the keyword here is transparent. Transparent. And then say I wanted a golden retriever. I have two of those at home, so they mean something to me. Okay, so I wanted to add one of these pictures, and sometimes the transparent works and sometimes it doesn't. So you just kind of have to be patient. Notice these all populate for you, but I'm going to double click that one. And so notice this background is not transparent, so I don't want to use that. And I'm going to go back to my image search, and it's going to save my last search. All right, let's see if any of these other ones are actually transparent. I'm skeptical now, but we'll see. I kind of wanted a real one. We'll see. Yep, there. See how this one is transparent? The background is not white this time. And then to resize, you simply drag the corners. When you're resizing, you want to make sure you are dragging just the corners, not the middle boxes, because that'll take it out of proportion. So this is what happens. Oh, that doesn't look right. And that red diagonal tells you you are back in the correct proportion. So again, you can drag any of the corners to keep it in proportion, and then you can just place it wherever you want it to go in your virtual locker. So we hope you have fun with this activity. After, you're going to tell us the story behind 5 of your items. So what of the 5 that were the most important to you, or what 5 do you want to explain a little bit in further detail? So you would click here, name the item, golden, and then why did you choose this item? I have 2 at home, ginger and honey. Okay. If you would rather explain your thinking in a video, you are welcome to take a Screencastify and just attach that here. And you would do that by Insert, Video, and you're going to go by Google Drive. If you do Screencastify, they will pop up here recently as your recently used. So I would just snag the video that I selected, and then I'm going to resize it to sort of fit in this computer screen. Please let your teacher know if you have any questions, and we hope you enjoy the virtual locker activity. Take care, Bobcats.